Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will be shortly covering the topic homeostasis. So what is homeostasis? Homeostasis refers to the maintenance of internal environment of the body. Homeo means same and stasis means standing. The word homeostasis was introduced by Walter Buchanan in 1930. The internal environment in the body is extracellular fluid (ECF) in which the cells live. It is the fluid outside the cell and it constantly moves throughout the body. ECF contains nutrients, ions and all other substances necessary for the survival of the cells. Let us see the role of various systems of the body in the homeostasis. One or more systems are involved in homeostatic mechanism of each function, such as the pH of the ECF has to be maintained at the critical value of 7.4. The respiratory system, blood and kidney help in the maintenance of pH. Next is maintenance of body temperature at 37.5 degrees Celsius. The skin, respiratory system, digestive system, excretory system, skeletal muscles and nervous system are involved in maintaining the temperature within normal limits. Digestive and circulatory system helps play major roles in supply of nutrients. Respiratory system is concerned with the supply of oxygen and removal of carbon dioxide. Endocrine system. Many hormones are essential for the metabolism of nutrients and other substances necessary for the cell. These are secreted by the endocrine glands. Kidneys, skin, salivary glands and GIT take care of water and electrolyte balance. Blood should contain required amount of normal RBCs and adequate amount of plasma with normal composition so that the blood could perform all its functions. Skeletal muscles. These skeletal muscles help in homeostasis by helping an organism to move around in search of food. They also help to protect the organism from adverse surroundings, thus preventing damage or destruction. CNS, which includes brain and spinal cord, also plays an important role in homeostasis. ANS, that is autonomic nervous system, regulates all the vegetative functions of the body essential for homeostasis. Thanks for watching this video. In the next video, we will be covering the positive and negative feedback mechanisms in homeostasis.